Happy anniversary, Sectang. 1 year was really well spent with you as our secretary in TESDA. Hindi ako nagkamali in saying to myself that I will hold on because I've seen in you something that I haven't seen in the many leaders of TESDA, and that's your grand vision. Maraming salamat sa ginawa mo sa pag-shake sa TESDA at an early start because you were able to really shake the mindset of people. Kung paano namin tingnan ang TESDA at paano namin tingnan yung outside of the box approach that you have always told us in the speeches that you have before. O nga jaded na rin ako as a person who has been in TESDA. Sabi mo nga, institusyon na sa TESDA. Naging jaded na rin ako in the way that I think. I was very complacent on some things, primarily because 40 years have been so long also to be in TESDA na akala ko alam ko na lahat. But you taught me one good lesson, and that is a lesson from a governor who have seen the landscape of the education system, basic education, higher education, and TVET. And you have taught me to really get out of the box. And most of the time, there is no box at all. So thank you for that. Kasi even in my years in TESDA, at this point in my career, you have taught me to still learn from people like you. Napaka-thankful ko for this opportunity. Of course, I cannot also overemphasize yung fact na talagang napakagandang leadership na pinakita mo sa amin because of the care that you have for people. Hindi ka plastic, na parang yung care mo is yung ibang leaders would always lang na pakitan tao, but I felt the warmth of your leadership because in all aspects, pati ho yung namin sa extracurricular activities, even when we go outside of the country, the exposure that you want for your people in international landscape. Napakagandang opportunity not only for yung mga trainers but also yung mga tao sa central office. Thank you for that because we were given fresh perspective on what TVET is in other countries. Yung malasakit sa tao, yung TESDA with the heart, I will never forget that primarily because dapat talagang ganun eh. When you told me to smile, because medyo kuripot ako sa smile ko, when you always remind me, DDG Rose, smile. Oh, so ngayon, pa-smile na po ako parate in all the transactions I do in my career, in all the transactions I do as DDG for policies and plans. I always am reminded by ngumiti ka kasi yun ang dapat. Yun yung makakapag make ng people comfortable when talking to you. So there are so many things I would still want to share with everybody on how you have touched the lives of people in TESDA, including mine. Akala ko noon, hindi na po ako capable na maturuan, but you still did it. And I'm thankful for you and for giving me this chance and opportunity to work with you. And I think this is one of the best things that happened in my career. I am really proud to have been working and have worked with you. And I hope that I still will work with you in the future. Maraming salamat po.